Don't you hate it when that happens to you? When it does, you need this and this and this. When it happens to me, I always know where to go. When you've got professionals on your side, your problems don't stand a chance. What are you waiting for? Contact them today and let them take care of your problems.
Almost everyone on my list of friends has asked me this one question. This guy, Joy Arakal, I hope I got his name right. Joy Arakal, who is fucking rich guy, man. I mean, I saw the video of his house. I'm sure you must have seen it. It's a beautiful fucking big house. It's not my kind of house, but it's one big fucking house. I mean, it's not... looks like a fucking palace. It seems in Kerala, it was the biggest fucking house ever. I'll tell you seriously, I mean, they had this drone shot of this house. It looks like one of those Disney studios of the, Beauty and the Beast. I mean, so big. It's so fucking big. It's like, I mean, you can get lost in that house. It's so big. You can keep, I think, close to 100, 200 people in that house. It's that big. It's like gold plated and all that. Fine. Okay. So this guy who is supposed to be a billionaire, it seems he died. Okay. Dubai police report that he died because of suicide. And, initially I was like, okay, he died. What the fuck? People died. But then because I started getting so many messages and so many requests, Loy, put a video. I did a little bit of research, just little. I'll not act like I know everything. Obviously, whatever I know, you will also know through Wikipedia or through the internet, okay? So because I don't know him, I'll tell you what I know. Is a businessman, he's very fucking rich. There are claims that he was associated with B.R. Shetty. He had, illegal funds. He had money laundering going on. He had money invested in oil. Fine, all these rumors and everything else is around. But the story that really got to my head was this guy, he went to a hotel in Palm Jumeirah, went with his son. Then he gets a call. He just gets a call. He goes up. And then he jumps from the balcony and he dies. Now, why the fuck, number one is, why the fuck would you, if you wanted to suicide, why would you dress up in a, business attire? Okay, forget, I don't know what clothes he was wearing, but if you want to suicide, why will you go with your son for a business meeting? Okay, that's number one. Second one is, if you have to suicide, at least you'll put your last letter, okay, I'm going to kill myself or some shit like that. Third one is, why would you go with your son? Fourth one is, why do you have to fucking go to someone else's hotel and do it? He has so many other options. He can take his boat and jump in the middle of the ocean or something like that. And here's the biggest question of all, the biggest one. Someone who's so fucking rich, why the fuck would he want to kill himself? He spent his whole life to build money. You can go retire. You can go retire somewhere and, even if the oil prices are down, even if B.R. Shetty is this and that, whatever. See, people don't actually kill themselves. See, I'm a guy who tried to kill himself. I'll tell you, it's not so romantic. Huh? It's not like heaven opening. It's a very powerful moment when you're going to kill yourself. I tried to do it 2011. You can just Google search on YouTube, 2011 Loy Macedo suicide. I stood at the railway tracks, ready to jump. I know the feeling. It's a great deal of guts, stupidity, and madness to want to kill yourself. And this guy didn't look like that. It's like Jeffrey Epstein killed himself. What rubbish. Jeffrey Epstein, if he was alive, there are a lot of powerful people who would be finished. So, it's man, even a kid can understand this. It don't need rocket science. This is my opinion. I can be wrong. He was killed, okay? He was killed because maybe he took money, maybe he did something wrong, maybe he took a bad deal and maybe he didn't pay. But obviously, it is because he pissed off maybe somebody, he got killed. Suicide is out of the question, man. You got a family, you have children, you have a dynamic son, you have a. Okay, even if your business is bad, but you have shitloads of money, nobody's going to kill themselves. You don't need any rocket science for this, it's just common sense. He didn't die by suicide, he was killed. Must have pissed off some really powerful guy. Because the reason being, why I'm saying powerful guy is because they didn't bother to have an autopsy finding, just like Jeffrey Epstein. Oh, he killed himself. Yeah, finished. That's it. Case closed. When you see, the thing is, when you get into these big power struggles, with these big powerful guys, you will get fucked. That's why it's better not to be too famous. It's better not to have two very famous friends or very powerful friends. I've realized this in my life. The more powerful a friend you have, the more dangerous it is. That's why I prefer to keep away, keep a low profile. People say, oh, Lloyd, why don't you have millions of followers and all? The more number of followers, the more the headache. So that's why when people tell me, Lloyd, we'll collaborate, make you famous. No, I don't want to be famous. Just want to make my money. Small money, small house, happy life. Because at the end of the day, you make millions and billions. When you die, you can't fucking take it with you. Now, this guy had such a big house, such a big fucking house. He can take it with him, 6 feet underground. Can he take all the money he put in the bank? Can he take? B.R. Shetty has the millions and trillions and billions. He could have retired. Now what? He can take it to his grave. He's 80. I'm going to fight till the last day. You're going to die. You're old. That's why for me, I'm not focused on trying to make rich and big bank account, a big fucking house, and one day, heart attack and die. That's why it doesn't make any sense to me when people work so many years in the Middle East. They work like dogs, left, right, and center. They save money every month. They save money. I remember our Indians. You know how our Indians do? What they do is they will earn 1,000. They will save 800, and they'll not even buy a deodorant. They'll not even buy a powder. This is the old fashioned, not the latest ones. They take credit card and they blow over the limit. That's another stupidity. So they save. They'll save for their house. It's like human beings are the only creatures on the planet who work their whole life to build a house only to go and stay in that house when you're old and you're going to die. You took a bank loan, whole life you're living in a mortgage just to pay bank loans and live in the house when you die. What stupidity is that? That's why I say I'm not saying now take a credit card and go on a vacation, blow all the money and then come back and wait for your death. Now, what if you don't die? Rather, what I'm saying is have a balance. Every day of your life, be happy. Just live happily, have a sense of meaning. With regards to this guy, this Joy Arakal, I'm very sure he made some powerful enemies. I'm very sure that he made a business deal that he could not deliver. Because even to kill someone, you have to really, you really have to push a lot of buttons, and you need to really, you must really do something really bad. Others, killing is not a joke. It's not like one of those mafia movies or something. So, I feel Joy Arakal was killed. You tell me in the comments, what do you feel? Like, I know most of you send me videos of his house and other blogs and saying that he was involved in B.R. Shetty. He was involved. See, like they say, there's no smoke without fire. Maybe he was involved in B.R. Shetty. Maybe he was involved in, money laundering. Maybe he was involved in all this. See, there's no smoke without fire. There's always a possibility that stories leak. Okay? But then, where's the evidence? And even evidence, maybe someone can plant it. So, let's just go with what we know. And what we know is A guy who's filthy fucking rich, really rich, absolutely rich. He killed himself. I feel because he was not going through any depression or whatever. And even if he was, he wouldn't go for a business meeting and kill himself. He could just shoot himself in the head or jump in the ocean or do it privately. Not go for a business meeting and suddenly get a mysterious call, go up and like John F. Kennedy, who died with a magic bullet. Do your research. Check how John F. Kennedy died. You'll laugh. He died with a magic bullet that went we everywhere, killed him in one bullet. That's what I feel. You let me know what are your thoughts. I just thought because you guys asked me, I'll share this opinion. Okay? Let me know your thoughts down below. But fuck, what a big house, man. Do you like that house? I just feel it's a bit too much. I'd rather have a state-of-the-art like room with a nice gaming system. Privacy, Big house, too much. Anyway, you guys take care. So signing off. Bye.